If you have one of these models, and the OEM headlight is the same as the image, have you ran into problems when you tried to replace the OEM halogen headlights? The standard H7 LED bulbs didn't fit your car. You tried the universal adapter and standard H7 LED bulbs, but they still didn't work. Are you still looking for the compatible LED bulbs to replace the OEM halogen headlights? Lasfit Ray designed custom-made H7 LED bulbs for this special type. Directly plug and play. No need other adapters. In this video, we show you how the standard H7 LED bulb with the universal adapter and special H7 LED bulbs work on this special H7 headlight housing. Take out the base color from LED bulb. Put the universal adapter on the LED bulb. Put the base color back on. Install them on the headlight housing. It's very hard to lock it in place. The universal adapter and the LED bulb are not fixed. Finally, we installed it, but it's very loose and unstable. The universal adapter is rotatable, can't fix with the base color. The special H7 LED bulb was specially made for this special type. The adapter and base color is integrated. Align to the housing socket. Turn clockwise and lock it in place. Plug the connector into the OEM power connector. Hide the connector in the housing. We tested this custom H7 LED headlight bulbs on following models and worked perfect. 2019 Kia Forte, 2016 Hyundai Veloster, 2019 Hyundai Veloster, 2019-2020 Hyundai Kona. More authentic feedback from Lasfit customers. Lasfit designed several other special H7 LED bulbs for some models of Mercedes-Benz, Volkswagen, Hyundai and Kia. If your OEM H7 retainer holder is one of these types, you can check other videos in Lasfit channel. Thank you for your support to Lasfit.